Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here, guys, on a Ford Focus, and if you have, guys, code any of the following four codes, guys, I'm talking about, okay, P0201 P0202 P0203 or P0204. Stay with us, guys. We'll explain what can cause that code and any of those codes and how to fix it, guys. Quick introduction: we have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need any parts or tools, guys, usually we have the tools and parts that we use in our videos listed in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience, guys. So this is, guys, the Ford Focus that we're working on, third generation MK3. This one should cover Ford Focus from 2012 to 2018. Specifically, this is the 2.0 engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be the same, guys. Now, as you know, guys, as I said, you may get up to 4 codes. Usually you just get a single code, and what that code indicates, guys, indicates that you have a bad fuel injector. Now this, guys, is the 2.0 direct fuel injection engine. Okay, direct fuel injection. This is your high pressure fuel pump. Okay, right here, this is your high pressure fuel pump. Kind of like the diesels, guys, not really, but kind of like the same thing. It's attached to the exhaust camshaft. The camshaft pumps that pump, okay, builds pressure, enormous amount of pressure, and there is a rail, fuel rail with 4 injectors that spray directly in the cylinders, guys. They do not spray before the intake valves, how it used to be on the older engines. So your fuel injectors, guys, are, okay, on this engine you can see that wiring harness, okay, right there. This is your fuel injectors, guys. You can see that fuel line goes to the fuel rail down there. So this is the problem right there now, guys. So how you know which fuel injector is bad? Now, let's say you have code P0202. Okay, that says that you have a bad fuel injector on cylinder number 2. And always check the connections too, guys, because if you have a loose connection, you'll get that code as well. And looking at the engine, okay, starting from the serpentine belt side, okay, never touch anything if the engine is running. You're going to count, guys, okay, you can see you have 4 ignition coils, 4-cylinder engine. If you have 3-cylinder engine, you have 3 ignition coils, and you start counting the cylinder number from the side of the serpentine belt. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cylinder number 2 will be fuel injector number 2, or fuel injector for cylinder number 2. Which one will be located down there? Now, how you guys remove and replace injectors on that thing? It's super complicated. You have to remove your intake manifold, the whole intake manifold, guys, and the video is on our channel and it explains how to do that from start to finish. So make sure, guys, you check it out. We'll have the whole video. We'll be taking the whole engine apart. We have so many videos, probably over 50 videos on that engine. So if you have any of those codes, guys, it will be related to fuel injector, guys. And I'm talking fuel injector, okay, the last digit of the code will correspond to the injector number. Let's say, again, you have a code P0203. This one will be bad fuel injector on cylinder number 3 or bad connection. So check those. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.